Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to use Quicken Simplifi. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Quicken Simplifi account using the mobile app or the website. If you're a new user, click Sign Up, create your account, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once you're logged in, the first step is to connect your financial accounts. You can securely link your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts. This allows Simplifi to automatically import your transactions, giving you a complete view of your finances in one place. After your accounts are connected, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here, you can see your account balances, recent transactions, monthly spending, upcoming bills, and your overall financial picture. Spend a few minutes exploring the dashboard so you know where everything is located. Next, create your monthly spending plan. Go to the Spending Plan section and set budgets for categories like groceries, transportation, dining, shopping, and entertainment. As you spend money throughout the month, Simplifi automatically updates your progress and shows how much of your budget remains. You can also review your transactions regularly. If a transaction is placed in the wrong category, simply edit it and assign the correct category. This helps keep your financial reports accurate and gives you a better understanding of where your money is going. Another useful feature is bill tracking. Add your recurring bills and income so Simplifi can remind you about upcoming payments and expected deposits. This helps you avoid missed due dates and manage your monthly cash flow more effectively. If you're saving for something specific, such as a vacation, a new laptop, or an emergency fund, create a savings goal. You can track your progress over time and see how close you are to reaching your target. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.